Action! Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Oh! Huwag ka kayo magsalita kasi!
Hoy, maglapit nga kayo. Maglapit. Yan, ganyan.
Huwag tumatawag.
Palitan to mga artista na to.
Hindi. Sorry mo naman.
Pag kasi yung ano, good morning.
Good morning.
Hoy, maglapit kayo, kunak. Tan kayo magkashoot sa screen ni. Yan mga... Game.
Oh, game na game. Mag-6 na daw. Sorry mo malaki.
Hoy, sayang ang film.
Film? You're so hima.
Wait lang.
Maglapit kayo, kunak. Wala akong mas malapit dyan.
Ano ba talaga?
Pagilid mo kaya kukuhan.
Yung camera wala ba talaga?
Ganyan na, sige na, ganyan na.
Malapit na nga eh.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here today.
Uy, wala na yan. Sa ano yan? Baliw.
Oo nga.
Sa boardroom yun.
Kasi di ba, telephone conversation, tapos nag-chat kami.
Usually ginagamit sa ano?
Sa board.
Sa board.
Thank you for coming here today. Di ba? Pwede naman. Huwag naman santo to.
Oo nga.
Masyado na makakasilo. Huwag naman ganyan.
Ganyan mo, bro. Tangitin yan. Para mo.
Okay, ulit. Thank you for coming here today, ah. Thank you for coming here today.
Sabi ko, magdikit kayo. Yan.
Board may actress lang ako. Yung kakayos naman.
Hindi.
Wait lang. We'll talk about...
Ba't nakikita ito? Nagsisimula nakikita yan.
Ayaw po.
Game na game.
Ipawak na lang din kay Heidi.
Hawak mo muna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming here today. I am here to present to you the cell phone, which is the Galaxy Y Young.
Okay.
So,
Ano? Yun naman kasi yung music niya. Yung music ko.
Okay.
Parang reply lang, no? Okay.
Dami-dami ng sinasabi. Okay.
Hindi ka kasi.
Yay! Okay, so what?
Okay.
So what's next?
Asap. Asap.
Dun, ulitin ko lang. Hindi na ako magsalita.
okay.
Okay. Ulitin na.
Diretso mo na na.
Oo.
Wala ka.
Huwag na tayo sa good morning. Ingat na lang nila yun. At sino ka na sa I'm here today.
20.
Thank you for coming here today. Nago na kayo na. Wait lang. I'm here to discuss
Hindi naman ako nakikita
about the Galaxy Y phone. So, Miss Heidi, Galaxy Y phone is an Android smartphone released by Samsung. It has 384 megabyte of RAM as well as 512 MB or megabyte or internal storage, which can be expanded with a micro SD card. The 3 inches screen has a 240 by 320 display resolution. The Samsung Galaxy Y Young has a remote security which allows the phone to be locked, tracked, and wiped completely, all while using remote software.
Okay. Is a Samsung Galaxy Y is a Wi-Fi ready?
Yes, ma'am. It is a Wi-Fi ready, where you can download applications, games, and ebooks.
So how much it costs?
It costs 4,500 pesos only.
So if I purchase 5 items, would you be... Ay! No, it's not, you know. Nasa na yun? It would be possible.
Ano pa ba lalagay ito yun?
Okay. If I purchase 5 items, would you... Ay! Would you give me a discount?
Would you give me a break?
Would you give me a break? Okay. If I... Ay, ano yun? Yan, gano'n lang. Okay. If I...
Lord!
Patawad. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, if I purchase 5 items, would you give me a discount?
Yes, ma'am. I can give you a 10% discount on your 5 items you will purchase on us.
Ay, wait lang. Ba't ganyan? Ganyan na. Ganyan naman. Uy, tiya dapat may kita yung ano
Oo, ni.
Would it be possible if I get a... Wait lang, wala. Would it be possible if I get until tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. We can give it to you until tomorrow.
So that's all. Thank you for the information.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for...
Hindi ko na alam sila. Nakainis ka naman. Masyado naman close up.
Thank you, ma'am. Until your next purchase.
Yun lang.
Gaga, shake hands. Shake hands pa ba?
Kay copy na.